Hey Porsche, you're gonna have a sister? Oh, it's so good. Hello, good to see you. Oh, it's here, it's here.
So exciting.
Look at it. Ah, it's coming in the drive. Should I just show you guys? Morning. Hi. What are you doing? You wanna come outside? You wanna come outside with me? Let's go. What do you wanna do? God, it's a beautiful day. Ooh, quick tramp sesh. Ooh. Woo. Let's try the scooter. Look out, Kiki. Look out. Ah. That's all right. We'll try something else. What about this? Come on, Kiki. No. This is harder than I thought. Got a bump starting. Just redid the pit bike track, so I thought that'd be a fun way to start today's vlog. Right, Kiki? Right. That intro took a lot more than you guys thought it did. Good morning, Fox fam. Welcome back to another video. Today is a very special day, but first, I want to remind you guys, because I have the brand new T-Fox brand Porsche line, and I want to tell you guys, if you just go down to the link in the description, you guys can cop all sorts of different T-Fox brand items, and for every $1 you spend, enters you to win a trip to Hawaii with me and 5 of your family members or friends, and then it's a week-long vacation in Hawaii. It's gonna be an incredible time, so camera's falling all day. Woo! That's about the 4th time I've done that today. Wow, I'm just gonna hold the camera. Okay, so you saw the intro. I wanted to show you guys the new pit bike track because I realized I haven't really vlogged in there in like a couple of months. The entire track is different now. We've upgraded it a whole lot. But more importantly, today is the day I am revealing to you guys my brand new SUV. Currently chilling here in the old office. It's all situated now. It looks all nice. I got all my stuff up. But today is the day of the brand new SUV. You guys have given me so many good ideas and so many different suggestions of what kind of car I should get, but I think that everyone is gonna be way too excited when they see the new car. It is supposed to get to the house in 20 minutes, so I just went and filmed that entire intro. I'm ready to do this. I'm all sweaty. It's actually really hot out. It's been warming up in California. In case you missed yesterday's video, I'm just trying to vlog, bro. If you saw yesterday's video, you might have seen the brand new solid gold urinal. I went in a race for 7 hours, and then at the end of the race, we did it all for the gold urinal. So make sure you check out the last vlog. But more importantly, I'm getting really excited. Today is the day. The new SUV is coming. New SUV's coming today.
New SUV's coming today?
New SUV's coming today.
Ooh. Do they not know what SUV?
Hey, and while we're speaking of that, Porsche's here.
Porsche's here. Porsche's also in the garage. Porsche T-Fox brand merch is here.
Ooh.
Link in description. Hawaii trip is here with me and my friends.
You could also go ahead and follow T-Fox brand and keep updated.
Keep updated on T-Fox brand on Instagram. Hey Jessica.
Hey.
New SUV's coming today.
Is it really?
You know that. That's why you're here.
Wait.
I just was telling you on camera.
Did you say today?
New SUV will.
Right now.
No, is it already here?
Go look at the camera.
Is it already here? It's down. You can't tell me to look at the screen, man. The power's off. Damn it, is it really here? No.
I gotta. So I need your help.
Guys, I honestly thought it would be here in about 20 minutes. All right, so we're gonna go open the gate and bring this thing in. All right, Guaxilla. You got a new sister. Oh my God. I gotta go get the boys. Yo, it's already here.
Yo, put your hands up.
Yo, chill. Come on, boys. It's a big day. Hey, Porsche, you're gonna have a sister? Oh, it's so good. I'm not gonna show y'all yet. Oh, mama. Hello. Good to see you. Oh, it's here. It's here.
So exciting.
Look at it.
That's real.
I wasn't even expecting to show it right now, so I almost don't want to. Yeah, Mateo on the hoverboard, the original hoverboard.
We all electric now.
What are you talking about? Ah, it's coming in the drive. Yo, it sounds so good. Oh, it's so loud. Oh my God. Should I just show you guys? Because it all happened so fast. Oh my God. And I'm gonna do it. Oh, here it is. Guys, it is official. I had to do it because the doors were going up. It's official. This is The new SUV, the Tesla P100D Model X. Oh, this is my first time seeing it. So Tesla literally is delivering this to my house right now. Thing's brand new. Oh my God, bro. Look at this thing. Yo!
Tesla's here.
Yo!
Whoa, we on
Holy shit, bro.
that carbon fiber.
This showed up so fast. Like I wasn't mentally prepared for that.
Yo, it has your name already.
Yo! Guys, we got Tanner on there.
I'm gonna eat inside your new car.
No, not with the white interior. Get your ranch and Doritos on out of here, Jessica. Look at the Panamera, bro. Look at the It's attacking. Attack of the digital age. Yo, how's the back seat?
Welcome.
Look at the carbon, bro. It just opened. I didn't even touch it. Oh, you be doing that. Holy sh. Yo, the frunk. I got 2 frunks now.
Got 2 of them.
Yo, I got a frunk and a trunk.
Horses in the dirt.
Hey, you got a
Horses in the dirt.
you got a frunk in your trunk.
I gotta calm down here for a second. This is obviously the new car. I wanted to get this car because I mentioned that the Ford Raptor is really bad on gas. I didn't really get to use the car for what it was meant to be. So I was just kind of putting miles on it. This is going to be the perfect point A to point B. It'll carry all of the homies. I got the 6-seat option. So we have the 2. I went with the white interior, guys, because white interior looks the absolute best. I got the 22-inch all black wheels. That's like an option apparently you can get. I didn't know about that. The bigger wheels look a lot better. I'm gonna put a picture of a normal Tesla with 20-inch wheels right here. You can see the difference.
Listen, who really cares about the car? Honestly, when we think about it, you bought it for the bag.
Oh, I get to keep
And
that.
now you have it, yeah.
No. Yeah, the car. Hey, you can take the car. I'm on the bag.
All your cars got wings.
Yo, it's got a little wing. This has the ludicrous mode. It has 1,000 foot-pounds of torque on a launch. It's just as fast as the GTR off the line. Look at the buttons, bro. Right here to close the door. Yo, it's got the vent right here. Got my Tesla bag. Yo, Elon, when are we doing that vlog? The back seats. You seen the back seats, bro? We got the cup holders. I'm so excited right now, bro.
Look at this thing, bro. Look at it.
I have to say this right now. This car would not be possible without each and every one of you watching. I would not be in this position if it was not for you guys, so I am forever grateful. Thank you guys for continuing to support me, my life, my friends' lives. Holy sh**. You see that?
Bro, it's literally
Yo!
Porsche was like
As soon as I got the Porsche here, I started kind of falling out of love with the Raptor. And this is going to be the perfect replacement. I was just filming Jessica to then film the Tesla coming, and the Tesla showed up.
Smith. I am just an icon living.
The even cooler thing is, guys, I had to keep this a secret from you obviously, because then I couldn't make a video about it or else it wouldn't be a surprise. Look at what we just got installed today. The brand new Tesla charger. So this is how I fuel my car. I don't need to go to the gas station anymore. Plug that into the Tesla. Wow, this is so cool. I have been a fan of Teslas for like the longest amount of time, and I just never felt the reason to like get one. Jessica, honestly, what do you think
This
compared to
is
the
beautiful.
Raptor?
On a scale of 1 to 10, this is a 15 and the Raptor was like a 3.
Woo! I know, right?
This is a sick car.
Yeah. I got good taste, huh?
So this is your daily.
I got good taste in cars.
I got good taste.
Don't I? Don't I?
Yeah.
Good GTR over
But
there.
I do have to say the Porsche. The Porsche is my favorite.
So we have the trunk here. We got a nice little 12 volt right there. And you already know, guys, I keep all of my cars white. The GTR is actually white underneath. Hey, I'm trying to film my Tesla. Can you go the f away? Thank you.
All your cars have Alcantara now too? I was tripping balls.
Where's the Alcantara? No.
Feel it.
No. Yo, it's got Alcantara, what? I never saw this car until right now either. I ordered it through Tesla directly. I've never even driven this yet. Yo, the doors, bro. We didn't even talk about the doors going up.
I know, bro.
Yo.
It tried to clap me. It tried to take me
Oh
out.
my God. Thank you.
Congrats.
Yo.
Congratulations to you, sir.
Thank you, bro. This is the perfect replacement for the Raptor, seriously. Like the perfect SUV.
This is a great family car, Tanner. This is great for you, for your future. This is a great family car.
For when I have kids.
Yes.
Couple years.
Yeah.
10
You got
years.
baby fever, huh?
I got baby
5, 10
fever. huh?
years. Baby fever?
Y'all got
Yep.
Taylor on speed dial?
I do. You want me to call
Yeah,
her?
call Taylor up.
Okay, let me call her.
Let's get some babies going here. I got 5 seats to fill. That's
do.
I got a lot of work to do. Guys, look, it even got USB chargers. You can charge anything. It doesn't have to just be. Yo, there's another one in the leather. Tesla secrets. I got you guys, don't worry. I don't think a lot of people realize this car is just as fast as the GTR off the line. It doesn't have 1,000 horsepower and it's not gonna like beat the GTR in a long run, but right off the line, this has just as much power. I didn't even realize this thing had carbon fiber literally everywhere.
And to see you?
Look at that. We just finished up all the paperwork. Everything is official. Now we have 2 no names. We have Kylie and 2 no names. Brand new keys. Oh, they're crisp. We're gonna hold this down. Hold it down now. Just
Wait
for
on it. Wait on it. Oh.
I don't see nobody in the car, do you?
Nope.
Y'all see anybody in the car?
Nope.
Let me stop it. That's good. Should we go for a ride in it?
Hell yeah.
All right, get in. First ride, guys.
We got the whole
Squad.
It's like a f***ing RC car. You ready?
Let's get it.
6 people in the car.
Let's do it.
Holy that was 35. That was 35 miles an hour.
0 to 35 in 2 seconds.
Oh! Yo! Oh, the pickup! The pickup!
towards yourself. There you go.
No way! Wait, so it's doing it?
Yeah.
Like I'm good.
No, well, I mean, you gotta pay
using
attention.
the gas or brake?
I'm
or
not
no?
touching
Nothing?
anything.
Oh,
I am
God.
not touching a single thing.
This is crazy.
Okay, this is weird. Okay.
Oh my god.
What is going
Oh my
on?
God.
What is
Yo,
going on?
Jessica, what's going on right now?
This is not
Help! Help! What? What?
on the steering wheel.
Where? Oh my god. This is already a great time and it's only been 2 minutes. He taught me that you have to let the car warm up for 30 minutes to do full ludicrous mode. Right now, we're just doing the basic ludicrous button. Still very fast, impressive. Put your seatbelt
We
on.
have our. Okay.
Hey, there's no seatbelt in the back left. Mateo?
Oh, it's telling you?
Mateo? Put your seatbelt on.
Yeah. Yep, you're good.
That's so weird. Yo guys, welcome back to another vlog. I can do this now. I can literally just talk to you guys and not even look at the road, which is so scary, but also keep your fingers on the wheels because that's part of the rule. But I'm making dead eye contact with you guys right now. I'm not even looking at the road. Do you see me looking at the road? You see me looking at the road, Jessica? I ain't looking at the okay? We're gonna make our way back to the house. That was the first drive. Let me know what you guys wanna see with this car. I'm thinking like launch videos, races. Let me know in the comments down below.
You don't get dirty looks because it's not loud or anything, but
It's
it's
just
just
a
like
Tesla.
such a fast car, you know?
No exhaust laws,
What kind of Easter eggs?
no
do they have?
state referees.
You know how they have Easter eggs and stuff you can find in them?
Oh, you just.
Yeah, Jay's
Do
mom
that.
has a Tesla, guys.
What's in 007?
Oh my god, guys. This is one of my favorite cars that I've ever gotten. I just couldn't see myself owning an electric car until like now. Before, I always liked them. I just never wanted one. Like, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
But now that I like have one, I'm like, why didn't I do this 2 years ago?
I know.
All right, guys, Tesla's officially here. I want to know what you guys think about it. Comment down below. Let me know if I made the right decision, if I made the wrong decision, if I should have got something else. Tell me which car you guys would take. Some might like the Tesla, but I think a lot of people would pick this. Tesla don't do that. GTR, check. But I think even more people would choose this one. It's honestly just a car kind of day, isn't it?
So remember he said if you have the key in your pocket and you press the button on the charger, it'll open it.
My first plug-in to my first electric car. Feels so good. I'm gonna use this as a moment to just say, if I listened to all the people my entire life that made fun of me for going to skate park and riding a scooter, I would not be in this position. Follow your dreams, do what you love, and follow your passions because you never know where it can take you in life. So if you wanna ride scooters, if you wanna play soccer, if you wanna dissect a fish, go do it, because you only get one life. Live it. I just really don't wanna.
What?
It's just my legs hurt. It's a tight space. It's the garage is tight.
There's no one in it, Tanner.
I know the garage is tight. Do you want to walk in there and get in the car? No. The real test. Will this thing go inside? See if it'll make it into the garage safely. Do you see this, Kylie? How come you can't do that? No name, are you seeing this? You guys both don't have names. I talk to my cars too much. I need more friends. Back her in, back her in. This is so cool. Ah! Oh my God. I could sit here. I could even sit here. And if I'm feeling like it, I'll even sit back here. What an incredible day. I did not expect this thing to come like in 5 days after ordering it. I know I literally just got rid of the Raptor. And here we are sitting in this car. I wanna remind you guys again, do not forget to cop some of the new T-Fox brand apparel. It is the hottest line we have ever dropped. It's my favorite stuff. We have all different sorts of hats. We have all the new shirts. And we have an incredible product coming out of Guaxzilla very, very soon, which I can't announce yet, but I'll tell you guys about in the next video. But anyways, that's gonna do it for today's vlog. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to enter the T-Fox brand giveaway. Also, for all of the SS PSG fans, we just signed a new PUBG Mobile team. Huge deal for us, so make sure you head over to the Twitter, go welcome them, and see the new team, because it's a big deal. Without further ado, what do you say we roll the new outro?
Like, subscribe, turn on post notification bell to never miss a video. Go to tfoxbrand to get your hottest merch in the game. Roll the outro.